If you're still writing every blog, email, and social update by hand, your marketing is already obsolete. While you're grinding, competitors are using AI to do it faster and smarter. You're not just behind your yesterday's news. 88% of marketers are using AI daily. 71% of organizations now use generative AI, and 78% in marketing and sales. Section 1. Automated writing and ideation. 1. Jasper AI. 100K plus users. High satisfaction. 95% agencies. 80% social engagement boost. Can write long blogs or short captions in minutes. 2. Write Sonic. Strong for SEO optimized drafts and fast turnaround. Section 2. The SEO Edge. 1. Surfer SEO analyzes 500 plus on-page factors. 150,000 plus marketers use it daily. 2. Market Muse. AI supports strategy planning and identifying content gaps. Section 3. AI-powered visual and video tools. 1. Creo, Pictory. Auto-generate social video clips from blogs or webinars. 2. HeyGen, Synthesia. Create presenter-led videos using realistic avatars. 3. Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Custom visuals for thumbnails and marketing content. Section 4. Humanized AI voice. 1. Stealth GPT. AI text that reads like humans, preserving tone and authenticity. 2. 59% of consumers trust fair, bias-free AI. Section 5. You are still the pilot. AI handles the drafting, but you're the pilot. Always review, finalize, and add your personal insight. AI gets you 90%, but it's your voice that takes it across the finish line. All these tools are linked below. Check description. Which one are you testing first? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI marketing hacks.